Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. From good friends and true, from old friends and new. May good luck go with you and happiness too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sanjeev. Happy birthday to you.
Baba, hope you've been well. Hope you've been having a wonderful time. I'm sure you've been as crazy as you've always been. Wish you a wonderful, happy birthday. Have a great fucking party. Happy birthday.
Sanjeev Kumar Gupta, happy birthday.
Happy
Have
birthday.
a nice year ahead. Enjoy.
Hi Sanjeev Baba, I wish you a very happy birthday. I like to remember some nice things about you, like going away all alone on trips and trying to enjoy life and not just limiting to city life or urban life or whatever it is. Good exploration and doing what your heart calls you to do. It's very good to have wish you again a very happy birthday. Bye.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बाबा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बाबा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू हरामी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
बाबा हैप्पी बर्थडे. बाय द वे, तुझसे मैं एक कदम आगे निकल गया. स्कीइंग सीख लिया मैंने. अब आजा अगले साल. देख, इसको भी सिखा दिया है मैंने. अगले साल यहाँ आजा, तुझे भी सिखा दूंगा. देख, तुझे पसंद आएगा ये जगह.
Hi Baba, many more happy returns of the day. I wish you a long journey with your wonderful life.
बाबा जी जन्मदिन मुबारक हो.
Hi Sanjeev, many happy returns of the day. It's been a while that we spoke or met, but I'm part of the group and keep seeing what you're doing. I saw your pictures of Leh and Ladakh, and I also talked to Bike Maniac and he keeps me updated with you and your life, what you're doing. Hope you have a good one and we'll meet soon. Have a blast. Bye.
Hi Baba.
Hi Sanjeev.
Many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Baba.
Hi Baba, how are you? बोले तो many happy returns of the day. I wish you all the success, all the happiness. I'm sure you're missing traveling, so I hope you get to travel a lot this year. याद है ना all the good times we had in Lobos, Planet X, Break Point, Factory of course. So hope we get to recreate all those moments again. Special thanks to Babi for this opportunity. Babi ji, pranam. Hope we get to meet soon. Have a great year, buddy. Bye.
Hey Sanjeev.
Hi Sanjeev. Hi Neha. Hope you guys are good and have fun today. So
ऐसे तो मैं कॉल करता बर्थडे विश के लिए, but there is a special request from a special person in your life, and that is Neha. So thanks for arranging this, and here it is. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, dear Bobs. Happy birthday to you. And wait for one special one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Dear Uncle. Happy birthday, Uncle.
See, Uncle, happy birthday.
And next time he will do by himself. And Arzu. And here it is. Stay happy and wild, Bobs.
Hi Baba, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
Hey Sanjeev, hope you're doing good. Wish you a happy birthday and a great year ahead. Bye.
Hey Sanjeev, happy birthday. Hope you're having a more sunny weather than I am. And see you soon, man.
बाबा हैप्पी बर्थडे। सब 40 के हो गए अब तक, लेकिन आत्मज्ञान बढ़ा जा रहा तुम्हारा। एंजॉय, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
और भाई बाबा जानी, क्या हाल है? मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। चल तेरी उम्र नहीं पूछ रहा, पता है तू सीनियर सिटीजन हो ही गया होगा, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू रिमाइंड यू ऑफ अ इंसिडेंट। जब फर्स्ट ईयर में थे हम लोग, एंड आई थिंक इट्स द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम वी वर सेलिब्रेटिंग समवन्स बर्थडे। तो तेरा बर्थडे था, आई थिंक द ईयर वाज 2002, 18 साल पहले। तो उस समय तू 50 का था, अब 68 का हो गया। पर एनीवेज, तूने अपने पिछवाड़े में कागज़ ठूसे थे और तेरी फिर कुटाई हुई थी, और फिर लोगों ने पकड़ा था तुझे, तूने कागज़ ठूसा था और कपड़े ठूसे थे, वो निकाल के फिर तुझे कूटा था। तो आई होप यू रिमेंबर दैट इंसिडेंट ब्रो, एंड मिस दोज डेज। विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन। आई होप यू हैड अ ग्रेट वन। बाय।
नमस्ते संजीव बाबू, आपको आपके जन्मदिन पर हमारी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे।
नमस्ते संजीव बाबू, मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। तुम जियो हजारों साल के दिन हो 50,000 हो।
तुम जियो हजारों साल के दिन हो 50,000।
Wish you happy birthday, Baba.
Wish you happy birthday, Baba Uncle. Happy birthday,
Baba! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you, Baba American.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. And Sanjeev Baba is riding along, running on his bullet wheels. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. And Sanjeev Baba is riding along, running on his bullet's wheels. Happy birthday, Baba. Happy birthday, Baba. Keep smiling, keep laughing. Happy birthday, Baba.
बाबा मेरे जाने मन जन्मदिन मुबारक हो। लिव लॉन्ग एंड प्रॉस्पर।
Hey Baba, how are you, mate? Happy birthday. I know you love to travel, and right now with COVID, you must be itching inside. You know, your adventure soul must be itching inside. So I thought I'll get you a flavor of Australia. I know, with the Harbour Bridge behind me and the Opera House you can see over there, and a nice party going on in this harbour town. So whenever we are free to travel, do come here. We'll meet you then. Till then, see you. Have a happy new year. Bye.
Happy birthday Sanjeev. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi Baba, many happy returns of the day, dude. Have fun. I'm sure you're having a lot of fun, though 2020 was a crazy year, and we all thought we'll give you a pleasant surprise by making this short videos and wishing you on your birthday. There are a lot of things to talk about you. It requires a lot of time. So
I will talk to you when I meet you in person. Anyway, Trace, you have fun. Have a great one. I'm pretty sure that you will be really happy after watching the video of myself and a lot of guys around, right? I hope you like the video, and I am waiting for your feedback as well. Happy birthday, dude. God bless you. Take care. Have fun. Bye.
Sometimes words have to mean